A very good afternoon to everyone. Happy New Year. Hope you and your family, everyone is safe in this third wave of pandemic. Today, in my video, I'm going to talk about how a student can become chartered accountant or CA in India. What happens is once a student enters class 12, apart from the board pressure, stress of board, he also struggles about his future career path. It's rather a sad state that we make certain assumptions, like I want to become a doctor, a lawyer, a chartered accountant, but we do not have enough information about the career choices that we actually need to, because everyone around you would be pressurizing you. There are friends, there are relatives who will be pressurizing you that you can become this, you can become that. Then there might be teachers. You require a proper guidance. What happens in our country is herd mentality, means we actually underutilize our own talents and potentials, and that is why we need to explore the various fields. Now, a chartered accountant or CA focuses on audit, assurance, financial accounting, taxation, accounting and applied accounting, applied finance. In our country, a CA can work directly with a company, he can have his freelancing, or he can also work in the public sectors. ICAI, the governing body, was established under the Statutory Act of Parliament, and it is the main body which governs, which conducts the examination, and it is also responsible for the higher standards of CA education. Now let us come to the next point, that what are the levels of entering into this exam. Entry to this profession can be made through CA foundation course just after completing your 12th standard. Alternatively, you can also become a graduate and then train as an article assistant for 3 years, and then you are barred, means you are exempted from the foundation. You can apply for intermediate, and then you have 100 hours comprehensive course of information technology training and orientation program for soft skills development before you are articled. But once you become CA, this certification is limited to the boundary of India. You cannot consider it valid in other countries. But once you complete CA, you can apply for the membership. Now, the very first question is, I'm a student from science. Am I eligible for chartered accountancy? My first question poses to such children that what made you take science? Because sometimes the students shift over to commerce because they are very much interested. That's nice. But sometimes they feel that the pressure is more. So let me tell you that in CA also you have the pressure. But if you have the flair of aptitude, if you have the flair to accounting, then the ball is in your court. Many times I hear, मैम मैं तो सीए कर लूंगा. क्यों? मैम मेरे घर के अंदर एवरी वन इज सीए. माई कजन्स आर सीए, मेरे सीए तो मुझे आसानी से हो जाएगा. वाई? Why? The question is why? In my family, my entire cousins from both the sides, maternal and paternal, are engineers, but I'm not an engineer. I never had any interest in engineering. Yes, I was interested in biology, but I was never interested in engineering. So, what makes you feel that if my family or my cousins are chartered accountant, then how can you? Then, second myth, ma'am, I know how to become a chartered accountant. I have to work for 18 hours. So, गधा और घोड़ा दोनों ही काम करते हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. देन हम दुल्हे को घोड़े पे बिठाते ना, गधे पे तो नहीं बिठाते. मेहनती तो दोनों है. इट इज नॉट दैट आई कैन वर्क फॉर 18 आवर्स और आई हैव द फैमिली. मेरे घर में 4 जने हैं जिन्होंने सीए किया है, तो आई हैव दैट. दीज आर नॉट द फैक्टर्स. द फैक्टर is your passion towards accounting. It is where you require lot of attention and desire. You may not be able to enjoy the fun and frolic going around. Now, as I said, anyone, either from commerce or from science, you can apply for CA. So, now what is the step? What is the eligibility criteria? The very first criteria is that CA's examinations are held twice a year, one in May and the second one in November, December. You can register yourself for the CA Foundation registration, CPT which weekly, and you require 50% to clear this exam. That's 200 marks, but you need to have 100 marks. There is negative marking also. Then, once you have completed CA Foundation, then you need to have rigorous training for 4 months. You can enroll for the CA intermediate examination, and if you are a graduate, then you can directly, without CA Foundation also, you can apply it. Now you have cleared CA Foundation, then CA intern. If you have cleared both of them, then you have to undergo 3 years of articleship training, and then the final is your CA final. When you have passed all the 3 levels, the complete 3 years of training, that is a practical training where your theoretical knowledge is put into work. Then, and this is done under the trained CA. Now you can apply for the during the last 6 months, that is when you are completing your 3 years की training आप complete कर रहे हो, तो during the last 6 months you can apply for the CA final, and you can, once you have completed your course, you can use the word CA before your name, like doctor you can become. CA foundation is the entry level. You have to study for 4 months. Then you can online enroll it. Intermediate, it's the second level. There are 2 groups. You can register for both the group, or you can go for a single group. And if the result is 40% mark in each subject or 50% in aggregate, then no reattempt. And if less than, then you have to reattempt. यानी कि entry level, foundation, intermediate and CA final. As I said, that a child with science background is also eligible for CA. So, what makes him or her professional? This is because in CA, because you have taken science, so you may be having the excellent solving skills. And CA are well known players of numbers in the financial world as opposed to others. While reviewing the financial statements, they are supposed to learn and go over the financial ratio. The only obstacle that a student of commerce has is basic accounting skills, which he or she may have studied till 12th standard. Any com- any now you don't have any college, you have ICAI. That is the only governing body which I have already told you. Now, if you want to go for CA, the syllabus covers principles and practice of accounting, mercantile laws, general English, business mathematics, logic reasoning, business economics, business and commercial knowledge. If you want to go for CA, then you can directly also enroll yourselves. And there are institutes where you can get coaching for the groups, for the subjects, individual coaching. But that depends where you want to take. My friends, if I talk about the papers, the number of papers we have in CA, that is CA subjects. We, as I have already mentioned, three levels: CPT, IPCC, and CA final, right? The registration dates are either for December, it is in June, and then again the vice versa. In CA Foundation, you have four papers, that is 400 marks, 100 marks each. Principles of accounting, business law, business correspondence, reporting, business mathematics, logical reasoning, statistics, business economics, commercial knowledge. In CA or IPCC, that's the next level, inter, you have accounting, business laws, ethics and communication, cost accounting, financial management, taxation, advanced accounting, auditing and assurance, enterprise information system, and strategic management. These are seven, and the paper is of 700 marks. In final, you have eight: financial reporting, strategic financial management, advanced auditing and professional ethics, corporate law and economic law, strategic cost management, electives, direct tax law, indirect tax law. This is how the subjects go for. In corporate laws and economics law, we have two parts. Corporate law consists of 70 marks and economic law consists of 30 marks. Similarly, when it comes to the direct laws and international taxation, indirect tax comes for 70, international for 30. In the indirect tax laws, goods and services GST comes for 75 and customs and FTP for 25. Then you also have the global financial reporting standards, multidisciplinary, that is under 6, elective, that is elective. You have to choose. You have risk management, you have financial services and capital markets, you have international taxation, you have economic laws, you have global financial reporting standards, and multidisciplinary case study. This is how the entire process goes on. If you are really keen and you want to go for this, you should start immediately In our country, as I said, it is ICAI. In Canada, it is CICA. In England, it is Institute of Chartered Accountants in England and Wales. You have Chartered Accountants of Ireland, then for Australia, but you all the countries have their own criteria. What are the skills I require? You need to be deliverance. You need to produce. You need to be determined. There are people who are very impulsive. CA is not for them. You cannot change yourselves in a minute. You cannot talk about 10 things together. You have to focus. You need to have a knack of numbers, count, conceptual understanding. Now, this conceptual understanding goes for all the group, all the subjects that is included. Analytical skills, you have to analyze, and ability to handle manifold tasks under pressure. See, when you're in 10th standard, 12th standard, the students feel that they are stressed. But when you are pursuing such professional courses, you don't have the word called pressure. You need to work and you have to be multifaceted. You have to present yourselves, you have to be perfect. And that is why a professional qualification in CA has a true global mobility. Now, you have the flexibility of, you can have the feasibility, flexibility of studying various CA subjects at your own pace. Apart from this, undoubtedly, you gain almost everything when you become a chartered accountant. But if you want, you can also combine certain things. You can combine certain skills or courses like CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst, Certified Financial Planner, Financial Risk Management, Company Secretary, Cost and Work Management, CMA, MBA in Finance, Actuarial Science, LLB. Once you finish, you can be in the audit and taxation, you can be in the tax advisory firms, you can be cost accountant, you can be project finance advisor, you can be in the banking and financial services, both in public and private sectors, and you can be in the investment banking, you can be in the insurance sectors, you can be working with CA firms, you can also work as freelancer, you can be an auditor, tax specialist, cost accountant, investment banker, asset management, and the topmost organizations, because the arduous journey of becoming a CA can be very fruitful if you are there in a reputable organization. And some of them are KPMG, EY, Deloitte, Accenture, Reliance Industries, Grant Thornton, Kotak Mahindra, ICICI Bank, Aditya Birla Group, Indian Oil. You can, it is not that you need to become a BCom, but yes, for the finals, you need to complete your grants. Now, as per the new rule, CA is also considered as a post graduation course in our country. So, really, it is a wonderful opportunity, a very reputable profession. But, my friends, as I told you, that don't think that it is a cup of tea for everyone. That doesn't mean that it is not the cup of tea for everyone. It stands on the both, it stands on both the ground. If you are really, really keen about all the skills I have mentioned, if you know the path, if you are very, very determined that you are not going to deviate from your path for so many years. You are able to, you are ready to invest your initial years of youth in studying, in putting efforts, untiring efforts, then you definitely can become chartered accountant. And along with chartered accountant, we also have CS, we also have CMA. Both of them are also having the same similar kind of routes. In fact, if you clear one of them, then there is exemptions of subjects in other two. And no company board can run without CA and CS. Till economy is there in the world, till the term finance is there in the world, CA is going to be. That means it is not evergreen, it is eternal. If you need any other help, any other career related or subject related, stream related, any query, you can feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp number, that is 9910522680. You can also WhatsApp me. This is Dr. Rama Raghavan, certified counselor and mentor, and my phone number is 9910522680. My website is www.mentorolaza.co.in. You can go for a mind mapping. Mind mapping is nothing but your interest, your aptitude, your skills towards a particular stream, course, or career. You have an, if you don't have, what are the areas where you need to develop them? You will completely find out which are your strong points, what is your strength and what is your weakness, and definitely weakness can be anytime developed. Strength can be used as a potential and weakness can be developed through various skills. So, what are you waiting for? Contact me, like, follow, and subscribe my video channel. Goodbye for now. We'll meet you with new video in the next class. Bye.